everyone. I'm Mamta Naik from Team Silver. So we came up with delivery.com clone. So first of all, I'll introduce you to my team. So Team Silver consists of 3 members: Akhila, who managed the React integration and as well as she managed the backend part. Next is me, Mamta. I have worked on the backend APIs and as well as I worked on the front end UI of a page. So that managed the front end UI of all the pages that we have in the delivery.com. So the problem statement we had was we were supposed to make a pixel perfect clone of the delivery.com, which is a international based food ordering system. So our primary objective from the first day itself was to replicate a full-fledged pixel perfect clone and provide functionalities that would give the customers a hassle-free experience. So the solutions we came up is with a close to pixel perfect thing. So this is the landing page of our website. This is the restaurants page with the menu page and the payment page, which is done by using Razorpay. Technologies that we have used are HTML, CSS, React, Redux in the front end. For styling, we have used Bootstrap and Material UI. And in the server side, we have used MongoDB for the database and Express.js and Node.js. So the challenges that we faced during the project was communication and the merge conflicts at the starting of the project. But meanwhile, while working together, we overcame through that, and then the segregation of roles and responsibilities, like assigning tasks to the members and completing by the end of the day by learning new features on the stacks, and then the integration of new features on daily basis was a issue that we faced. That is the deployment of AWS and the integration of Razorpay. That was something new that we tried in this project, and that was a challenge that faced by us. Next is a demo or the flow diagram of our project. So the end user for our project is the customers. We don't have what for the restaurants. So step one is the landing page where the user has to log in or register through a model, and then the user gets redirected to the restaurant page. Here, according to the user's current location, you can get all the restaurants, and then clicking on any restaurant, it will redirect you to the menu page. There you can select the items that you want to order, and then that redirects you to the checkout page, and there you can pay using the Razorpay payment, and then that redirects us to the order success page, and from there you can go to the landing page, or you can go to like track your delivery of the item. So thank you. From here on, Akhila will take you through the project. Over to you, Akhila.
Thank you, Mamta, for introducing me. Good evening, everyone. I will share the demo of the project. So this is the original delivery website that we have been given to clone, and this is our website. So from here, a user can book search for the restaurants from here, or they can go to the office page, and I'll use my current location in order to fetch the restaurants that are present near my place. So these are the restaurants. From here, I can filter the restaurants based on Indian food. Also, I can filter both containing Indian and vegetarian. Also, I can filter them based on the star ratings. Sorry, I can filter them based on the star ratings as well, and according to the minimum delivery fee, and I can select multiple values for this, and I can filter them based on the delivery estimate as well. Apart from filtering, I've also given the sort functionality where the distance will be sorted with the minimum distance first, and for rating it will be the maximum rating first, and minimum amount first, and lastly the estimated time. So let us now go ahead and order food from one of the websites. So this is the restaurant that I've chosen, Golconda Chimney. So here you can also see the map where the Golconda Chimney exists. And let us order some food. So since I've not logged in, a person who is a guest can only come till here. So I have to log in now. I'll log in with Google. Yeah, so I've logged in with Google. Now let us order some food. Yes, and one more. So a person can now delete from here as well if they do not want, and I'll go to proceed to checkout, and here I'll add some address, and we can put in the tip as well. And here I have to click on select the Razor payment in order to select, and I'll click on proceed to pay. And here it will redirect me to the Razor Pay. And from here, if I click on proceed to pay and select some option and click on success. So after successful, it will redirect me to this order success page. From here, if I click on delivery.com, it will redirect me to the office page, or I can track delivery here and my order is given here. So one more feature that we have implemented is we can order this food again if you want to order. So if I click on order again, it will give me the same Razor Pay. And if I click on proceed, yeah. So it's we can track delivery and see that we have ordered the same food again. So here we can go back to the delivery.com office page. So Siddharth will take over regarding the documentation of our project. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Over to you, Siddharth.
Yes. Yeah. Good evening, everyone, and thank you, Akila. Here we have made GitHub README also, so anyone can see our 2 weeks effort for making this project and what all are technology we are using, and as well as we have briefly introduced our web app using a screenshot, so a user can easily understand what this web app is working, and as well as we have made one Postman docs also. So what all are API we are using for communicating with our database, that all are introducing here. That's all, guys.